Okay, back at the Home Depot display. So let's see what they got. Oh, I'm going the other way. Glendale's are still here? No way. Whatever that fit. Barrow Island's back. Ballina, Rockport, Bayfield. Since when did the Barrow Island even come back? That thing. Hugger, which I hate. Clarkston. Oh, that's the fan I have, the Brookhurst. Littleton. Might get that sometime. Gazebo 3. Kind of like that gazebo. There it is on display. Lily Chris 2. Whatever that thing is. Palm Cove. Celine. Where's the other ones? Corwin thingy. Yeah, Mena 44-inch. There's 52-inch Mena, by the way. Where is that one? Unless they finally discontinued it. Sid Low, or shall I call it, Ugalo. Oh, there's 54-inch Mena. Driscoll, that's kind of like Bristol, which is the other Harbor Breeze fan.
Good.
Whatever that thing is. Oh, that thing. Kens Grove, I think. Fanley or Fanley, I don't know. I do like the Kens Grove though. Okay, let's see what else. Why do they keep putting random globes on South Winds? Bro, what is this? Bro, finally the Holly Springs is back. Yay, I love it. Holly Springs are good. Devron. But yay, Holly Springs. Why is it still the Glendale free there? There we go. Yeah, there is pretty much a lot of fans. There's a Montgomery too, which I guess is I don't know what's my thought on Raffley too. Caprice. I do like the pole chain Caprice. There's another view of the Brookhurst. Why does it? Is this an older Brookhurst? Cause what? Look, let me zoom in. Not right there. There's Hampton Bay chains on it. And Brookhursts aren't Hampton Bay anymore. They're unbranded. So why is there Hampton Bay chains on it? How do I zoom back? Guys, my camera, oh, never mind. Seaport 2. I don't think I'm getting another Seaport. Okay, my dad said he gotta go. Middleton and Glendale 1 again. Barrow, okay, my dad's literally just going through the whole thing again. Brookhurst again. Brookhurst isn't even in stock. What are happening to the Brookhurst? Something that I wouldn't get, that ugly thing, Levatano, and here's some chandeliers over here, and yeah, that's the end of the display, so bye.